Pakistan's military and the people of the Pakistan always thought that the Indian women are very weak and negligible. But today it is an answer to the Pakistan's army. As we know, on 22nd April there was a terrorist attack on Pahalgam, and all the men were killed in this attack because they thought the Indian women will be crying and are very weak. But today, the press conference of the Operation Sindoor was held, and the Operation Sindoor is the operation in which we attacked on the Pakistan's terrorist areas. And today, this press conference was being leading by two women officers, that is Colonel Sophia Qureshi and Wing Commander Vyomika Singh. Both are a woman and they led the press conference and also said in the details how we destroyed the Pakistan's terrorist area. So Pakistan, be on alert because Indian women are not weak and negligible. In short, they are the support system and the strength of the country.